Liz is gonna jump off of the roof at Johnny Wilmer's house for the first time. Oh my gosh, this is like... Come on, come on, come on. She's not gonna do it.
You suck. No candy for you.
Jump and scream yellow.
Do it.
Go.
Oh my god.
Do it low.
Jump towards me.
Just stop.
Just run and jump.
Yeah, just run. Do it.
Yeah, you go. You're a trooper.